So this year, ang hype talaga is all about super slim phones, no? So alam naman natin kaka-launch lang ni Apple, guys, ng iPhone Air at 5.6mm thin. Pero Tecno said kami rin. Introducing the Tecno Spark Slim at just 5.93mm thin as marketed as one of the world's slimmest 3D Curve Air smartphone. Ang biggest question, for only around 10,000 pesos SRP, is this just pang forma lang or this phone is actually worth buying? And oh, by the way, guys, of course, guys, another day, another video, another giveaway. We'll be giving away one Tecno Spark Slim to one lucky subscriber at the end of this video. So stay tuned and watch the whole video. So once again, this is James Avante, also known as Kuya James. And now, James 3.0, let's go. So tara, unbox muna natin tong Spark Slim, guys. So, in the box itself, makikita nyo naman dito, guys, at 5.9mm thin, 5160mAh, 45 watts, 144Hz at 1.5K AMOLED display. It has a TUV, which is malalaman natin mamaya kung para saan tong TUV thing na to. Nakakatawa pala, no, guys, yung S neto, guys. As you can see, parang may kamukha siya, no? Anyways, unbox natin siya. At the back, guys, it has a mood light design, which is very, very interesting, guys. Malalaman nyo mamaya kung ano yan. MediaTek Helio G200, IP64, Freelink, 50 megapixel. Sa gilid, it has Dolby Atmos, Corning Gorilla Glass, and Tecno AI. So this is a 256 plus 8GB variant. So tara, buksan na natin. Dami ko sinasabi. Let's go. Ingatan muna natin yung plastic kasi hilahin ko na nga. Here we go. Buksan natin siya. Pagbukas natin, it's orange, no? So mga pansin ko lang, no, iPhone 17 Pro Max orange, tapos nasa Shopee tayo ngayon, tapos orange din to. Medyo, it does make sense. So Spark Slim, guys, as you can see here, guys, I'm sure this will be probably the case in the manuals. 12 plus 1 month warranty. So actually, no, Tecno gives an extra 1 month warranty in case na medyo doubtful ka sa kanila. So this is the case. So alam mo na magiging itsura, medyo kamukha ng iPhone Air, no? So very, very interesting talaga. Kung gusto mo na, guys, ng iPhone Air at below 10,000, probably baka ito na yun. Ito na siya, guys. This is the Spark Slim. Tabi mo natin siya dito. It has a 45-watt charging brick, which is very, very standard naman. Let's focus on the phone itself muna. By the way, unreleased pa po, no, sa Pilipinas. This is our first look at the Tecno Spark Slim. Kasi nahawakan ko pala, manipis na talaga siya. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tada! Tanggalin na natin itong sticker na ito. Sa mga di po nakakaalam, pwede nyo pong tanggalin yan. Unang hawak pa lang, guys, sobrang nipis at napakagaan na nito. At 5.93mm thin, talagang ramdam mo yung slim profile nito, no? Gumagamit sila ng, they say, aerospace grade fiberglass back, which actually I really can feel with a 3D curved design na parang flagship talaga yung vibe under 10,000 pesos. It comes in two colors, the slim white, and we have here the cool black. Simple pero classy. Meron pala siyang tempered glass, guys. And yung tempered glass niya, I don't know kung nakikita, is a curved tempered glass. Mahirap po makahanap ng tempered glass na curved actually for curved phones. So usually, pag mga curved phones, usually ang nilalagay talaga dito, parang film lang. Pero yeah, Tecno save you and they give you already a curved tempered glass. So turn on natin siya, guys. Tignan natin, guys, kung ano mangyayari. Inaabangan ko actually yung nasa likod neto, guys, eh. Kasi meron nangyayari talaga dito sa likod. Nakikita ko sa mga nasa ibang bansa, yung mga nauna, no. Palagi naman sila nauna, yung Pilipinas palagi late. So Tecno, powered by Android as usual. But literally, guys, yung feeling niya, pag hinawakan ko talaga siya, uy, this is new, the Tecno AI thing. Uy, yan na! Umilaw na, boy! Ooh! Galing! Boy, para siyang Baymax, man! What the heck? So, meron siyang 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with a 1.5K resolution and up to 144Hz refresh rate. So, in terms of scrolling, guys, gaming and TikTok, I can say na magiging smooth naman yung experience ninyo. Plus, ito, guys, based on the spec sheet, up to 4,500 nits of peak brightness. This is literally 50% more than the iPhone 17 series this year, which is 3,000 nits lang yung peak brightness nila. Meaning, kahit tirik yung araw, kahit sa labas mo to gamitin, kitang-kita mo pa rin, guys, kung ano yung pinapanood mo, whether nag-doom scroll ka or nagti-TikTok ka. It even has a in-display fingerprint sensor, rare, guys, especially for a entry-level price point below 10,000 pesos. So, slim doesn't actually mean weak, no? So, yun kasi yung mostly yung parang conspiracy ng tao na pag manipis ang cellphone, mas hindi siya matibay or mas matibay talaga yung mga mas makakapal na smartphone. Ano daw? But this features a Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. It's also IP64 rated for dust and splash resistant. It's also certified by MIL-STD-H10H military grade, meaning it can literally survive 25 kg of bend test and 2 meter drop resistance. So, kahit manipis siya, I can say matibay. Sa loob, it runs the MediaTek Helio G200 which is a 6nm processor, not flagship level pero already I can say reliable for daily tasks and casual gaming. Meron din po siyang 8GB of RAM plus another 8GB of extended RAM, total of 16GB of dynamic RAM, and a 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. Meron din to guys ha, sa nipis neto meron siyang tinatawag na 0.3mm vapor chamber cooling pad for thermal management. So for under 10,000 pesos, I can say sulit na yung setup ng Tecno Spark Slim. So in this part of the video guys, pag-usapan natin yung isa sa pinaka-controversial part guys in terms of slim phones, which is the battery. Akala mo guys maliit ang battery guys kasi manipis, no? Actually guys, nagkakamali kayo. Guys, this still packs a 5,160 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging. And Tecno guys, nagdagdag sila ng safety features katulad ng overnight charging protection and liquid charging protection, which is actually nahahanap lang po yung guys sa mga flagship phones katulad po ng iPhone. So I can say no, sa Tecno Spark Slim guys, safe ka kahit iwan mo to i-charge overnight kung sakali nag-worry ka about doon. So right now, pag-usapan naman natin yung camera guys. On the back, this has a 50MP main camera with an aperture of 1.6, and on the front, this has a 13MP camera with an aperture of 2.0. For social media and casual content, I can say the quality is decent already and is usable. It's not an iPhone Air level, literally kasi 10,000 pesos na itong cellphone na to. Pero for daily pang-uploads ninyo, TikTok, social media, story, and whatsoever, pasok na to. So in this part naman guys, pag-usapan naman natin kasi meron siya mga tinatawag na mga extra features or what we call the hidden gems, no? So number one guys, again, is yung mood light design nito sa likod. So pinapakita ko right sa screen ninyo guys, umiilaw siya for notifications and interactions, and literally guys, kamukha po niya si Baymax. It also features an Dolby Atmos audio for better sound capabilities. It has super free link communication na kaya niya bang mag-Bluetooth call like literally file transfer also up to 1 kilometer range. Who would do that in a smartphone? It also runs on iOS 15 which is Android 15, and of course meron po siyang AI suite with Google Gemini integration. So for an entry-level phone guys, I can say literally sobrang loaded sa features ang Tecno Spark Slim. So is the Tecno Spark Slim worth it this 2025? For me guys, I can say definitely yes guys. For just around 10,000 or even below 10,000 or even mas babagsak pa yung presyo pag na-live natin, you're getting a super slim 5.93mm design, 144Hz AMOLED display with 4,500 peak nits brightness, military grade durability with like literally kahit i-bend mo siya, hindi siya mag-bend, and fun extras like katulad nung mood light na mukha po siyang Baymax. Kung gusto mo maranasan ang slim phone trend guys this year without paying the flagship prices, I can say the Tecno Spark Slim is one of the best budget entries you can get this year, 2025. So that's my full review of the Tecno Spark Slim. Kung curious kayo about pricing and availability guys, I will attach here na po, link in the description. By the way, yung direct discount link, if in case naghanap ka guys ng bagsak presyo or mas murang presyo guys compared to the market ng Tecno Spark Slim. I'm sure naman the moment na in-upload namin tong video na to guys, lumabas na po yung cellphone kasi bawal namin to i-upload guys before pa siya lumabas. Pero for now no, at around 10,000 or under 10,000 pesos, this looks like a solid budget contender. So, giveaway time naman guys. So, every video na ginagawa natin guys dito sa YouTube guys, FYI, namimigay tayo always guys kung ano man yung nire-review natin. Paano ba sumali guys? Kung gusto mo manalo guys ng Tecno Spark Slim guys, worth almost 10,000 pesos. Number one, like mo lang tong video na to. I-comment mo dyan sa baba kung ano yung nagustuhan mo sa Tecno Spark Slim. And number 3, subscribe and of course, turn on the notification bell kasi i-announce pa namin yung mga winners guys na mga nananalo sa mga YouTube namin guys on our next upcoming video. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James, and now, James Ripino. So, kita ka sa mga next video. Peace out.